So I have a 1989 Volvo 240 GL, and this overdrive light will not go out and it will not shift into overdrive. This is going to be a quick video. All of the fixes are pretty easy. Now, first thing you want to do is down on the floorboard here, open up this and check to see if this fuse, check to see if that fuse is okay. If that fuse is okay, then go over to the glove box and open it up. Whoa. Remove 7 screws. Remove 7 screws along the top and on the bottom. This thing pulls out, and tucked over here is a white overdrive relay. It's held in there by a fastener. You might have to use a screwdriver. I already pulled this one out, so. And this is the overdrive relay. If you want to buy a new one, there's the number. Before you pull this off, you'll know it's not working because when you click the overdrive button here, it won't make a noise. I fixed mine so it does make a noise. Okay, so pull this thing off, and what you're going to do is get a little pick, and there's a hinge right here. You can see that line. You basically push this thing back, flip up the hinge, open up these two, and then pull this whole thing out. I'll show you. Alright, so what you have to do is resolder some of these connections. A lot of them look perfectly fine. This was the only one that I could see that it had cracked around the edges. Kind of like that one. I don't know if you can see that, but that, I should probably do that one. That is, I don't know if you can see that, but there is a hairline crack all the way around that. And what I did was came in and soldered. Not pretty, but it worked. Soldered that. I looked at each one of these, and any one that I saw a hairline crack, I resoldered it. And this thing works like new now. I'll show you what this thing looks like in action here. So with this thing newly soldered, pressing the overdrive button here, you can hear it click. You can see the light go off, off, off and on. And you can hear it. You can see what's clicking here. A little doorway there. I love seeing how these things work. So this overdrive relay is now working. When you go to reassemble this, notice that there are grooves on one side that the board, the circuit board, fits into.